Hello, I'm Indra Herlan. I'm a student of Faculty, Fisheries, and Marine Science. I used to be a child, afraid to try, afraid to fail, and even afraid to speak in front of others.
And when competition showed up, then I chose that. It was debating. Debating is not really my field, but I want to try. I want to challenge myself. I will start my speech in 3, 2, 1.
At the end, I got it. I become a part of the best team National University Debating Championship at your university 2023. I've been in organization field as my first year as a student. Since then, my appetite for productivity has only grown. Get out of my comfort zone wasn't easy, but it was worth it. Every challenge, every experience, every competition shaped. I'm still learning, I'm still growing, and I keep moving forward. Because success is not just about talent, it's about daring to take the first step.